Hey guys, this is Patrick. This video is for ASD Project 4 within the February 2012 class. So what went better than expected? Learning the couch or jQuery couch plugin went pretty smoothly. I did have to read the references or the reference manual that we were given a couple times and read through the various JavaScript that was the examples that were given, do some of the examples myself, follow along with the videos that we were given, and I was able to get the read portion of the CRUD app to work pretty well and fairly quickly. Also, just cleaning up my code. Overall, my main.js file has completely changed. There is nothing, or almost like no remnants of what my initial main.js file looked like when we first started this. And it just looks very clean, and I really like it. It's awesome. What didn't go so well? The create and the read, they seem to actually just, I was able to do them fairly quickly. Delete, I pretty much spent Wednesday night after I got home working on that one. And then also the edit. I want to say I worked on that also last night, but not that much because I got tired. And then throughout today, I was able to really make that work. But both of those were definitely more difficult than the create and read portion of the app. Skills from previous courses that I utilized. Well, I guess jQuery syntax a little bit. And I would say definitely VFW. While my main.js file completely changed, it definitely had, it was helpful because that's when we first created this application. And I wanted to obviously perform some of the same tasks, and I was able to use some of the code that I previously had written and just popped it into the areas where I had updated it using the jQuery couch plugin. And then lastly, how do you like working with the apps in the simulator and emulator? Well, I'll go ahead and kind of go into it to show what my app's doing. But obviously, I think everyone's going to probably agree that the simulator is better than the emulator. The emulator is slow. Anything that you click on takes forever to get to. For example, I just clicked and it will probably, there you go, the simulator much faster. So going back over here, let's go ahead and create a test. Gonna do a bar, gonna do a test bar. I'm gonna say that it's 5 and test comments. I don't have anything else as fields that are absolutely needed, and I'm gonna change this around a little bit eventually, but for the purpose of this. So save it, recommendation. It's going to go ahead and load up again. I can go to list all to get to where I just got that, but bars automatically fill. There's that test bar, and we are in test bar. Now, I can go ahead and edit it. One thing that I did do when this is actually tied to the actual form itself, so I have disabled it when they come to this edit view so that they can't actually get into it and nothing can change from there. Let's go ahead and bump this down to 1. We don't like this bar anymore, and go ahead and save it. Recommendation saved. We will go back out. Let's go here. See if we can get to it this way. It's going to go to the filling station. It always does that. It's hard to scroll. All right, let's do this one. Bar. There it is, test bar, and it is a 1. Lastly, go ahead and delete this. We don't want it anymore. Do you want to? Yep. I do have this issue. It's asking me twice. I'm not sure why. Anyone want to recommend why? Just let me know. But it ends up deleting it. Goes back to the home page. One more time. Let's go to the bars, and it's gone. No longer there. So the create, read, delete, update, edit, whatever, is all working. Definitely it's really cool to get it to this point. Got our iPad in the mail, and I actually have it running on the iPad as well. And clicking through, let's see, there we go. Pretty cool, huh? So I guess that's it. Let's, I guess, play around with this for a second. I'll go back to the main one. Again, the emulator is just lags so much, but it works, and that's why I would say the simulator is definitely much better. Although the majority of my devices at home are Android devices, I just have to say that the simulator is 10 times better. And it's still trying to load. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'm actually taking next month off. I got some stuff I got to do, and then I will be jumping right into, I guess, advanced visual frameworks the month thereafter. So best of luck to you guys.